In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate the project schedule column on monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple automation setup that keeps your schedule updated for you, instead of you having to manually adjust dates every time something changes. First, make sure you're on the correct board where your project schedule column lives. This is usually your main project board, where you track tasks, owners, and due dates. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Automate button. This is where all of monday.com's automation recipes live, and it's the control center for anything you want the system to handle automatically. After the automation center opens, you'll see a few options, including suggested recipes and any existing automations. To build a new one tailored to your project schedule, click on the Create button. This starts a custom automation, so you're not limited to the pre-built options. Next, a search or filter bar will appear where you can look for specific types of automation. In that field, type Date. Using date as your keyword helps surface all the automation recipes that work with date columns, timelines, and schedules. This is exactly what we need for a project schedule column, because most schedule logic is triggered by dates changing or approaching. Once the list filters down, you'll see several templates related to dates. Take a moment to read through the short descriptions under each option so you can choose the one that matches how you want your schedule to behave. For example, you might see templates that adjust dates when a status changes, send reminders a certain number of days before a due date, or automatically set a date based on another action. Select the template that best fits your project scheduling workflow. When you've found the right one, click on Use Template. This will open a configuration screen with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You will typically be asked to choose which board and which specific columns the automation should use, such as your project schedule column, your status column, or your owner column. Pay attention to the conditions and timing options so the automation runs exactly when you expect it to. Once you've filled in those details, save or activate the automation. From now on, your project schedule column will update according to the rules you just set, helping you keep your timelines accurate and your team aligned with minimal manual work.